Alrighty guys, we're doing a little something different. I filmed a video building this tailgate thing for my truck, but it was a fail trying to download the footage and everything. I don't know what happened. It was just a fail. So I have this built. Now I just need to figure out how to attach it to the truck. It fits in and everything. And then when I push it in, it stays. Like I could push it like as hard as I want and it won't go in. But like if I push it out, it'll fly out. So I was thinking about just tying chains right here, then like not chains, but like small little, and then attaching it that way. Cause I've been doing junk removal and I need something for like bigger jobs. And oh, why don't you just get a tailgate? It's cheap. I want to wait till I get a parts truck, cause then I want to get a chrome bumper, front and rear bumper and grill, and then the tailgate, and then the tailgate. I need the brackets, and then a couple other things. So like, when the time comes when I find one for like 600 and less, I'm gonna buy one. And I'm only using this truck temporarily for junk removal because at the end of the day, she's my daily driver, and like it's my first car. So eventually, I want to clean her up and make her like fast weekend car. But she's gotta be a work truck for a little bit and make me some money until I can buy a box truck for junk removal, which should be by the summer the way stuff is going. So yeah, so I'm just gonna get straight into it. I'm gonna put it on time lapse. I'm gonna bring this over there, start marking stuff up, see what I can plan of how to attach it. So yeah, see you guys. Alrighty guys, we got the tailgate all, it's over there. I just need a couple more hooks. I have one hook from a strap, and I need more, so yeah. So with that being said, I'm gonna clean up all this and then probably look for a couple more hooks. If I can't find any, then I'm just gonna go to the store. I'm not gonna film any of this, so I'm just gonna pick it back up once I get the hooks, and then yeah, I'll see you guys once we find these hooks. So yeah, buddy. Alright, with that being said, this video is about to come to an end in a minute because I didn't end up going to the store. I ended up just I found another hook, so I got these two, and then for the bottom ones, I'm just gonna use string. I gotta put all that in my truck. I gotta clean it up so I have stuff to tie down. I'll put this all in my truck later, so when I do junk removals, I have extra. I already have straps and stuff in there. I just want some extra kind of junkier rope so I could tie down some stuff more. I'm not really care about it. That's good. Then I got a saw blade, so when I'm cutting up boats and stuff, I could. What else is there? Gotta replace my dad's blinkers. That's easy though. I'm just gonna replace both of them. One's gone, but I'm just gonna replace both of them because it's cheap enough, and I got two bulbs, so might as well change them at the same time, so I know everything. I wanted to do that because there's a break, so I didn't want that happening while I was tying it down, then losing stuff on the highway or something. Cause like this is just cause like I'll say like wood and stuff, like when I'm doing a bunch of wood or like scrap metal, like I'll strap it down to like really good with like the straps, and then I'll just tie it down with this stuff just to make sure everything's all. Look at all the condensation. I need to do something. I need a fixer. I need to get new control, new hand control for the front, like the starter one. And I want to get a rear fender, and then that's it for now. And then I'll get her back running, and then eventually I want to get a 39mm front end, and then maybe exhaust seat, and because that's the whole build. I want 39 front end, 2-to-1 exhaust, seat, and then a lowrider fender, so it just goes like that. And then when I do that, I'll take off the blinkers, get it integrated taillight, and then it'll be clean. And then I'm keeping the tins the same so I can match with my dad, just have like, but I don't really know if I'm gonna get the 39 front. That's gonna be like the last thing. And then the same with the seat and the exhaust, because I don't really, but like I'm about to get the control in that, than the lowrider fender, so I could take off the blinkers, take out the sissy bar, and then have a fender, and then everything will be, because then it won't look too bad. And I think I'm just gonna keep it, because I'm not doing wheelies or anything on this. She's just like kind of the cruiser fast / burnout machine, so like the wide front end doesn't really matter. Damn, bro, it's really. And I need to get a battery tender, because my battery is gonna die. It's just because like that and that I start up and we'll ride once a week around. But yeah, let me throw this. One of these days I'm gonna bring all the scrap metal, because I need to get rid of all that, because I'm about to do a junk removal with a bunch of trees. That's not too far from my house, so I'm gonna dump as much of the trees here in the back, and then the rest will go to the dump. And then whenever I have the chance, I'll cut it up into firewood, like lay the pallets out over here and stack up a whole nice thing of firewoods. But yeah, because then it saves me money on. I get free firewood, and then I maybe sell some of it and make some more money off of it. I don't know. Most likely won't be able to sell any of it, but I get free firewood and don't have to pay a dump fee. So, yeah. So let me throw this on, and I'm gonna throw this on, and then I'm gonna call it for this video. It's probably already been like 10 minutes to me. And I hope I can get this video posted, because my last video I wasn't able to. Flip this around. And then I'm gonna grind these down whenever I get a chance. Why it's being a pain in the neck. Usually it slides in better. I don't know why it's acting up right now. But like, as you can see, I can press on it as hard as I want forward and it doesn't move. It's like locked in, but if I pull it back, it'll go back. But like, it's sturdy. I just need to connect it to here and then connect it, and then same on the other side, and then we'll be good. We're about to test it out right now really quick, and I'm about to end the video. Then tomorrow's video should be pretty good. Missed 2 days. One was my fault and one was kind of not my fault. So it is what it is. They're both my fault, I guess. So this, I need to figure out, I'm definitely gonna figure out a better way, but for now, this ain't too bad. See, my finger's stuck. Slide this over here, like this, and then. But even like this, I want to find a faster way to install it. But even like this, like what, a couple minutes, have it installed, and then I'm gonna leave it on for like a couple days. Not right now. I'm gonna take it off like later on. But when I'm doing jobs, I'll put it on before I leave, and then just keep it on for a couple days while I'm doing a job. Because most of the jobs I do are bigger junk, like easy, but it's just a lot of work. So this is gonna be a tape. I'm gonna need to get a longer rope for this, but like that works. So with that being said, I'm gonna call it for this video. I'm gonna try to get it, go inside right now, start downloading the footage. Hopefully everything will work, and then start editing it so I can post it tomorrow and not be late on schedule. And then tomorrow I'm gonna go do something fun, so I'm gonna be getting back on schedule and got a few banger videos coming, because like I'm gonna do a pretty banger video tomorrow. Then Sunday, which tomorrow's Friday, and then Sunday we have a junk removal, like a camper that I'm gonna film, and then with me and my friends, so it should be pretty fun content. And then Saturday, I don't really know what I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna try to figure out something fun to do Saturday. And then next week, I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna figure out some. But trust me, we have some banger stuff coming. But definitely Friday, Saturday, Sunday banger videos. Don't know what I'm doing Saturday yet, but I'm gonna find some. Actually, I do know what I'm doing Saturday. So yeah, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then I actually have a bunch of banger video. I'm thinking, so stay tuned for the videos. We're the next like week of videos about to be hopefully bangers. After this, I know this one's not gonna be, you guys don't really like this, but after this video it should be full of bangers. So banger, banger, banger. How many times did I say banger? I don't know. I'm going inside to go chill, and then I'm gonna go test out that, go take my mom somewhere, and then I gotta go take her to the store. So I'm gonna leave that on, make sure it doesn't fall off while I'm driving. And yeah, so I love you guys, stay safe, and like, comment what I should do, all that fun stuff. Deuces.